one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There is a tension inside of you. Part of you wants to move forward, but part of you still wants to stay still, to stay protected. I see a hedgehog curled tightly. It can either stay protected and guarded, or it can begin to move forward. And the Lord says you cannot step forward whilst you stay hidden in fear. I am not asking you to protect yourself. I'm asking you to trust in me. As you move forward, you will discover that I am already there with you, that I am the one who is protecting you, the one who is watching over you. I will not leave you exposed. I will not leave you vulnerable, but know that I am with you, protecting you and keeping you safe. Now is the time to move forward. Now is the time to step forward in faith, trusting in my presence with you. For I am the Lord who is guiding and leading you by my hand. I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my Spirit. I stand watch over you to keep you safe. Do not be afraid. You've been looking at the gap, wondering how you will get across. I see you walking by a river, looking across the river and wondering how you will get across. But then you see it. You see a bridge that has been prepared. It's already ready, and all you need to do is step forward. And the Lord says, stop focusing on the things which stand in your way, for I have already made a way through. Do not look at the things which you need to figure out, but know that I am the one who has already built the path. Step forward in faith. Step forward trusting in me, knowing that I am bringing my provision to you, knowing that I am the Lord who has prepared the path for you. There's no reason to second guess. There's no reason to doubt or fear, for I am the Lord who is providing for you exactly what you need. Step forward in faith. Step forward trusting in me, knowing that I am with you, the Lord who is clearing the way, the Lord who has prepared the path. The night has felt so long, but it did not last forever. I see the sun rising, breaking through the darkness, and the Lord says, I am bringing you into a new day. It is a day of peace. It is a day of favour, a day of blessing and renewal. For I am lifting from you the things which have felt so heavy. I am bringing a new clarity and peace to your heart. I am the Lord of new beginnings, the Lord of new opportunities. Trust in me that I am at work. The darkness cannot hold on any longer, for my light is breaking through. I'm bringing healing. I'm bringing my love. The old is giving way to the new, for I'm leading you forward into this new day. I'm leading you forward into this new season. It is a day of opportunity. It is a day of renewal and peace. Trust in me that I am with you, the Lord who is lifting you up, the Lord who is strengthening you, empowering you. For this is the day, this is the season of victory, this is the time of overcoming. I am the Lord who is renewing you this day, the Lord who is strengthening you with my love. You've been wondering if something can block it, if something can stop what the Lord is doing in your life. I see water flowing from the mountaintop, flowing around every rock, every boulder, every obstacle. And the Lord says, nothing will hold back my love for you. Nothing will stop the work that I have begun. For even now I'm beginning to move situations. I'm beginning to move them in a way that will surprise you. For the love that I am pouring out in your life cannot be held back. I'm flowing around every obstacle. I'm removing the blockages. For I am the Lord who loves you. I gave up all so that you could receive all. I gave up my life so that you could truly live. Step forward in faith, step forward trusting in me, for nothing can hold back my love. Nothing can hold back the blessings that I am giving to you. I am the Lord and I am at work. I will not be held back, for I am bringing my renewal and my refreshment to you. I am filling you again and anew in this day, as I lead you forward in peace, as I lead you forward into victory. For I am the one who is strengthening you, the one who is renewing you. There are things which you've held back, parts of you that have remained hidden. You've covered them over so that others wouldn't judge you. But the Lord says, do not hide in shame or fear. but know that I delight in who you are. I created you in your uniqueness. I created you exactly as you are. Don't be afraid of being who you are, for I delight in you. You are beautiful to me. When I made you in my image and in my likeness. There's no one else in the whole of creation like you. No one else who fills the world with my love in the way that you do. I love you and I delight in you. Therefore, step forward in faith. Step forward trusting in me, that I am the one who loves and accepts you. There's no reason to fear, no reason to hide, for I am leading you by my hand. I'm guiding you by my spirit, bringing you into the fullness of life which I've promised. I am the one who first loved you, the one who loves you from the beginning to the end. Do not be afraid, but receive my love this day. Step forward in peace, for I am the Lord who is making you whole, the Lord who is making you new. You've wondered if things are really changing, if anything is really happening. I see ferns which are opening and unfolding, slowly at first, then more and more. And the Lord says, my promises are unfolding in your life, not all at once, but exactly as is needed. You do not need to rush this process, for I will bring forth everything in the right way and time. I am the Lord who loves you, the Lord who is bringing forth heaven's best in your life. It is unfolding, it is happening. Don't fear, don't allow fear to steal from you, don't hold back because of fear, but step forward trusting in me, trusting in my perfect timing, in my perfect way. For I am the Lord who loves you, the Lord who takes care of you. There's no reason to fear, no reason to be afraid, for I'm unfolding my plans and my promises in your life. I'm bringing everything forth in just the right way. Watch and see what I'm doing, for I'm unfolding and revealing my love. It doesn't make sense. You thought you knew the way, but the Lord is telling you to do things which you do not understand. I see someone sitting in a skyscraper and they know that they need to cross over to the other side, but instead of going down, the Lord's telling them to go up, something which does not make sense to them. They know that they need to go down to the bottom, cross over the road, and then go up on the other side. But the Lord's inviting them to do something which is different. And I see the picture zoomed out, and I see that there's a bridge between the two towers, a way which is easy and smooth. But all they need to do is be obedient, to step forward, to go up to a higher level, and then they can cross over. And the Lord's saying to you, trust in me and listen to my voice. For there are times when what I ask you does not make sense. There are times that the things which I ask you seem to not make sense to the human heart. I'm reminded of how the disciples had been fishing all night. They were experienced fishermen and they knew exactly what to do. But the Lord came and he said, cast your nets on the other side. Something which did not make sense. In fact, it would be the last place that the fish would be. But as they were obedient, they brought in a huge catch of fish. And the Lord's saying, trust in me, that I am the Lord who is providing for you. I am the Lord who is opening up the things which have been impossible for you. As you are obedient to me, as you follow my guidance, I will do the impossible for you. For I am the Lord, the faithful one. Do not be afraid. There is more that is happening than you can see, more than you can simply feel. I see early in the morning the tide coming in and going out. And the Lord says, I'm washing over you with my love. I'm making you clean and I'm making you new. Even now I'm removing the things which do not belong. Even now I'm restoring that which has been lost. Trust in me that I'm doing more under the surface, doing more than you could have imagined. For I am the Lord who sees the whole. I see the end from the beginning, and I'm putting into place exactly what is needed. Allow me to do the hidden work, to renew you, to restore you, to wash away the things which don't belong, to bring to you exactly what does. For I am the Lord who is faithful and true, the Lord who is loving and kind. Therefore do not be afraid, but put your hope and put your trust in me again. For I am the Lord who is restoring you, the Lord who is renewing you. You felt weak. You've wondered how long you can keep going. I see water powerfully flowing, generating strength. And the Lord says, I am strengthening you. My word is flowing through you and over you, bringing life. It cleanses and restores, it empowers, it heals. Do not be afraid, for you are not running dry. You are not running on empty, for I am the one who is faithful and true. I am strengthening you by my Spirit. I am empowering you by my hand. For it is not by your own might or power, but it is by my Spirit that you are encouraged. It is by my Spirit that you are strengthened to move forward. Watch and see what I will do. For I am breaking open that which has been closed. I am bringing freedom and release to you. I am the Lord who sets you free. You are free indeed. Step forward, trusting in me, trusting that I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is empowering you, filling you again, filling you anew in this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.